Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here in Bonita National. It is Bonita National Boulevard, Unit 843. It's a top floor Antonia floor plan, part of the terrace line of homes that you're going to find here at Bonita National. Does come with the golf membership inclusive, and everything that you're going to see in this video comes with the unit. It is fully turnkey. Let's run inside and take a look here. So with the Antonia, you get 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, right around 1,200 square foot. And you get the kitchen right up front here, overlooking your living spaces here. Nice granite countertops, full stainless steel appliance package, and a nice little eating nook here as well. So that's your kitchen. Now we're going to move back into the main hallway here. And to the right, that's where the guest bedroom, guest bath, and laundry facilities are. So first off, we have the guest bedroom here, really tastefully done here. You've got the bifold closet doors there. And then we come into the guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode. You have the combination tub and shower. And in this floor plan, your laundry space is right here in the guest bath as well. Full-size washer and dryer, some additional storage right above. And now we come out to the main living spaces here. So starting from the kitchen, you do have plenty of space here at the bar for additional seating at the kitchen. You've got your dining space here. And then you've got your relaxation room here, your living space here. And this all overlooks the views, but first we're going to take a look at the owner's retreat here. So that is a king-size bed there for perspective. So really nicely done in here. This room does have some new carpet as well. And then you've got 2 closets. These are walk-in style closets, and both of them are similar in size. So you have one here and one directly across from you. Last but not least, on the interior, you have the primary bath here with the singular sink, the commode, as well as now you have a stand-alone shower here. Last but not least is the viewpoint. So this is an amazing view here from your exterior living spaces here. You're overlooking the lake, you're overlooking the golf course, and you're gonna have beautiful sunsets right over the lake right over there. All right, folks, so one last detail about these units. All of these units come with a storage space. So this particular unit here, you just walk right outside. There's your elevator taking you down. And this would be your storage space here. So plenty big enough. It's about a 5x8 space or so, maybe a little bit bigger, but plenty of room here to carry your bicycles, golf clubs, pool rafts, and those kind of things. Also, right next to this home, this building is the ancillary pool here as well in Bonita National. So if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.